Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is an unboxing of a Louis Vuitton item I bought from Poshmark. This is my very first time, so I wanted buying something from Poshmark. So I wanted to unbox it so you guys can see how it comes in. So of what I was told, over $500. They send it to the Poshmark headquarters, authenticate it, and then they ship it to you. So I purchased something from the Escale collection, from one of the totes. I forgot what it's called, but one of the totes, I bought the wristlet. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like. Oh, so look, it has cute Poshmark tissue paper. So this was brand new. So yeah, this was what I was told, that it'll be you'll get the little paper that says Poshmark authenticated, and then Louis Vuitton pouchet, and verified by the person's initials. So that's really cute. And then, so I heard they wrap it. So yeah, they did wrap it. So I guess every time they send something, every time you buy something off Poshmark, and they authenticate it, they wrap it for you, make sure it's authentic, and then they ship it to you. Then you have time to verify it, I believe, and then the seller gets paid. So I'm opening it. So I was told it was gonna come in a box, so it is in a box, so points to that. Oh, how cute. It says thank you so much, enjoy. So it looks like a Christmas ornament. That's nice. I'm guessing the seller. Cabana cream. Huh. That's nice. And then looks like an ornament. Mom made life beautiful. Oh, that's cute. Can put it in the Christmas tree. And then, oh, they put it in tissue paper again. And then it's inside of the dust bag. So this is the one I bought. You tie it something, I don't really know how, but we'll figure it out. It's supposed to be the one that comes in the tote bag. So it's this big with the silver hardware. So if you guys saw, I did buy the Louis Vuitton pouchet set from the Escale collection. Unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, but the one that had this design that I really liked was smaller, like for passport, but I really wanted like a wristlet this big, which it fits. You know, it fits like a phone and other stuff, which I really like. And then this, I believe you put it through this way, like this, and then you tie it back here. So I have seen a lot of people that just carry these by themselves. So I thought, oh, great idea, I'm gonna buy one. So I looked into Poshmark, and they're all ranging right now for about anywhere from like $900 to $1,000. So I thought I would check out a new one. So this is a new one. The person never used it. As you can tell, it's in awesome shape. It's brand new. And it did came with the care packet, which I think it's cute. And then it does, like I said, silver hardware. You can just put it around your hand and carry it like this, which I think it's awesome. And yeah, it does. This one was made in Paris. No, made in Spain, for those that were wondering. Last time in my other video, if you guys haven't checked it out, the multi-pouchet accessory, I did get asked where that one was made in. That one was made in the US, but this one's made in Spain. So yeah, if you guys are looking for or buying this bag, it's pretty big. I would say I'm surprised. I thought it was going to be smaller. I'm pretty sure if it's a phone right here, you can put a lot of other stuff. I was kind of worried because it's kind of flat, that stuff wouldn't fit. But as you guys can see, it is pretty big and it looks like you can fit a lot. So it's really cute. So if you guys are looking for one, I recommend you either, if you want to buy the big bag, it retails for I think $2,000, $3,000. I don't even know. But this collection's the 2020 Escale. I believe they're probably not going to have it anymore. So if you guys are going to look for it, you might be able to find it in one of those websites, or like a pre-owned website. This one was brand new. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys see the unboxing. Bye, till next time, guys.